I miss her every day. She's in my mind every day.
This mother's hurt and anger has not diminished. Her daughter, Terry Ann McCoy, murdered nearly 9 years ago. Now, Seth Jedlicka, one of the 4 men convicted in the killing, wants his sentence changed.
My daughter can't change her sentence because they give her a death sentence for nothing.
In November 2009, Jedlicka, 16 at the time, and 3 others kicked in a door at the family's Chesapeake City farmhouse. The robbers demanded money while holding Mrs. McCoy and her husband Terry hostage. Terry Ann heard the noise.
All she did was come to this top of the stairs and heard the commotion downstairs. She gets shot 5 times. And they proceeded with the robbery as she lay dying on the stairs.
Jedlicka was not the shooter. For his role in the armed robbery, he received a life sentence, with all but 60 years suspended. He must serve at least half of that, or 30 years, before he's eligible for parole.
I think he should stay his sentence like he got.
Jedlicka is considered one of Maryland's juvenile lifers. There are approximately 300 of them, all convicted of serious crimes committed while under the age of 18. Brian Sassenti is not Jedlicka's attorney, but is representing 4 other juvenile lifers to the Maryland Court of Appeals.
These life sentences imposed on juvenile offenders are unconstitutional in light of a number of Supreme Court cases.
Supreme Court rulings and an ACLU federal lawsuit sparked dozens of appeals. Sassenti says Maryland's system
is illegal if the juvenile offenders don't have a meaningful opportunity to obtain release when they have rehabilitated, reformed, become better men, and are no longer a threat to public safety.
Jedlicka's attorneys are also set to argue his sentence is illegal.
I would hope that everyone in the state of Maryland who knows anything about this case would be appalled if his sentence was in any way reduced.
5 minutes.
Mrs. McCoy, whose husband died 5 years after the attack, will represent her daughter.
But yes, I'll be there because she can't.
For the 11 News I Team, I'm Barry Sims.